just say 1, 2, 3, and then you say hi guys. 1, 2, 3. Hi guys. Will, you gotta get in this. Can we do 4? 1, 2, 3. Hi guys. Alright, starting out the vlog today, Danny and I are gonna go on a run, so I think Jason is actually gonna take the camera because he's gonna go work out with, yeah, there you go. He's gonna go work out with Will right here. So I think he's gonna take the camera because we're not taking it out on the run.
Alright, so Will and I, we're heading off to the gym right now. Austin and Danny on a run. Should be a good workout. What are we gonna do, Will? Chest?
Yeah.
Something else? Arms? Chest and arms. Alright, we just got done working out. Didn't get much footage, kind of in the zone. Now we're gonna go swim. So we just got done swimming at the pool. Now we're on our way to Albertsons. We're gonna go get some cake, pie, I don't know. But we're gonna surprise Austin with a cake tonight for his birthday. Get some candles. You just gotta have birthday cake and candles on your birthday. It completes the birthday. So we're gonna surprise him with that. Hopefully he doesn't see this vlog before we present the cake and the candles. But yeah, I don't know what else we're gonna do. And that's getting real close to me.
After a long search, we finally caved and we needed help because we couldn't decide what Austin wanted. And so we talked to Haley, Austin's girlfriend obviously, and she told us that he wants either banana cream from Marie Callender's.
That's number one thing.
That's number one. Or coconut cream is a close second, right? Or Spider-Man. All of which we found. And after much discussion in several stores, we got banana cream. Look at that.
Hopefully Austin likes it.
Yeah, because it's from Claim Jumper, not from Marie Callender's like he likes.
So we're currently playing pool. We have a pool tournament going on here, and there's one going on here. We played some tennis earlier. Fault! Fault! And I was the champion, and I guess we're trying to see who's gonna win pool now. Jason's here, everybody's here, there's like 5 people here, so we're just hanging out. I've won the first 2 games of pool, and then they're playing to see who I play next. That's really it. Whenever we come here, we always have a pool, ping pong, tennis, what else? We always have tournaments just to see who's the best of that year. Usually I'm the best, not at all. Now we're gonna go inside the games to get some amazing shots. Let's try this.
It's the 8 ball, you idiot. No, watch it, watch it.
We have a current score here. I think Danny is winning. He only has that 1 ball left. So he's hopefully gonna make this shot, and then he has to make the 8 ball, which is there. There you go, there's 1 in. All right. It's going for the win. It's maybe who I play. And he missed.
Jason's like...
How do you feel right now, Jason?
Jason's like 2 misses away from the
Can you tell me?
this stick over Steven's head.
Can you tell me any more about this?
Like, why the...
Call your pocket, Danny. Call it. That's the win. Danny wins.
We are here at the International Tournament of Champions of Austin and Will. Austin over here. And he sinks it. And it's Will lining it up. Will had a tough start in this tournament. Down 1-3, but now he looks to knock off Austin with a grand upset. What are your thoughts, Danny? You nailed it, perfect.
Okay, I got 3rd place. We're gonna bring the champion over here. Will, you have to be in this. You're the new champion. How do you feel?
I feel great. Jason lost, he sucks.
Jason got 2nd. If you're not 1st, you're last, Jason. Alright, so we're back to the room. Now we're gonna have some dinner. I have to edit the vlog from yesterday because I still haven't done it, and I think it's like 6 o'clock and it's bad. But today's my birthday, so I guess I can kind of get away with it.
Alright, we're about to bring Austin in and sing happy birthday to him.
Happy birthday to you.
This is so low. You're so low.
Happy birthday to you. To you.
Yeah, we have to. That's the pen.
Wait, hold on. So you spoke with Haley?
No,
Banana cream pie?
that was a boy.
She's good.
Throw you off.
Where's the Spider-Man cake?
That was the second option.
I like this guy.
She was like Spider-Man cake.
We saw Spider-Man cake, but it was like 30 bucks.
Coconut cream.
$30?
Yeah.
I was like, Austin's really not that much. I said no, we're that much.
Thanks, guys. Thank you.
Yeah.
Pie smashing in the face.
No, it's actually frozen, so he would probably
Well?
get really drilled right now.
Okay, so we are doing something that's probably not a good idea, but we're gonna do it anyways. This is just a little spinner thing, so we're gonna light it in the shower. We didn't know where else to do it. So here we go, Jason's gonna record.
Turn the lights off. Turn the lights off.
Tasmanian devil. I was
That's it.
See, that would have scared the crap out of Austin in the shower.
Yeah, this is all I know. It's been a pretty eventful birthday for me, but unfortunately, my birthday has come to an end. Yeah, Jason made a very special thank you, except he did, he burned my pie. Alright, so Jason thought it would be a good idea to put the pie, because it was still frozen, on here, and he just, this is like boiling.
How long has it been on there?
Thank you, Jason. Probably 40 minutes.
No, probably longer than that.
I burned it.
So basically, I don't know if I'll attach, I recorded it on the iPhone because I was editing yesterday's vlog. I don't know if I included it or not, but basically, he put it on the stove because it was still frozen when we got back from the jacuzzi. And then he was on the phone and he forgot about it. And
wait. Let me clarify. I was playing NHL.
No.
And then I got a phone call, in which
Okay.
I took the phone call, which distracted me from NHL, which I had my mindset on the dessert while I was playing NHL, but because of the phone call, it distracted me, and I was trying to get back to NHL, which would have helped me get back to the dessert, but I was too distracted by the phone call,
Therefore, 45 minutes later, we start smelling something. Jason's not here, and basically the pie was boiling on the stove. So my pie was ruined. I never really got to taste it except for some whipped cream on top because that was the only thing that was thawed. So thank you for that. You ruined my whole birthday.
I'm sorry.
That's okay. Anyways, maybe you can make up for next year or something.
Probably not.
Probably not.
Oh, well, okay, yeah.
Okay. All right. Well, anyways, see you tomorrow.